I'm Truel Montague with M&M Industrial. I'd like to show you the patent-pending nozzle that I've created that I use with Graco's EcoQuip 2 EQ Vapor Abrasive Blasting Units. I knew what it could do with general blasting and cleaning purposes and wanted to work on developing a nozzle that allowed the media to tumble down the inside of the ID of a heat exchanger tube. That way we weren't damaging the tube, but we were able to pick off any mill scale, buildup, calcium. Using Graco's equipment and my nozzle, we're able to go into plants and refineries for a quick and easy setup and start cleaning heat exchanger tubes without worrying about setting up a large safety perimeter. It's been proven that this equipment works well, and works safely. If it takes 30 seconds, a minute, 2.5 minutes, but once we know where the sweet spot is, we're able to plow through the rest of the tubes and give the customer back a heat exchanger that's cleaned properly the first time, every time.